channel for another quick and easy recipe. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to make this Greek-style frappe, which is just so delicious. It doesn't even compare to any other drink from any other coffee shop. It's made with instant coffee, and just one sip of this is gonna make you feel like you're laying on the beach in the Greek islands, because everybody drinks this in the summertime. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe down below so you won't miss out on my quick and easy recipes, which always have a unique twist to them, and I post every other day, so be sure to click that bell so you won't miss out. Now let's get started. To make this quick frappe, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of water to my cup, and if you like your coffee sweet, go ahead and add 1 to 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Depending how strong you want your frappe to be, add 1 to 2 spoonfuls of Nescafe instant coffee, and this could either be made in your blender or as simple as shaking up vigorously by hand in a water bottle. Whichever method you use, be sure there's plenty of room because this foams up beautifully. This is what it looks like after it's all blended up. If you like, you could drink this as is or add some milk to the top if you want this a little creamier. And that is pretty much it. Your Greek style frappe is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy drink recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below what you thought about it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.